Hello guys, welcome to the next video of Databricks. Let's go through aggregate and group by SQL queries. We need to understand how aggregate and group by queries works in Databricks. We can start, so we don't have any issue in understanding. As you can see, we have aggregate SQL example notebook. Let's open it. We have given the name as per our choice. Then we have selected SQL as an interpreter, and we can see our cluster is up and running and is attached with the notebook. Let's execute our first example in our first cell, where we want to count the number of cities out of sales data. As a result, you can see we have count available out of sales data. Let's execute next cell, where we want to calculate the sum of profit as total profit. As you can see, we can execute the aggregate function. In our example, let's go on the third cell, where we want to calculate the average of the profit. Using the same sales data table, we can execute it. Now we have the result available for the average sales. If we want to calculate two different aggregate functions, one SQL query, then here we have the next example is max and min. Both I want to execute on the sales column, and sales column is already available with the sales data table. As you can see, we can also execute multiple aggregate functions in a single select statement, and it's quite possible we can use multiple aggregate functions in Databricks SQL statements. Let's go on the next cell, where we have sales and square root function. We want to calculate it just to find out another mathematical function from Databricks. So square root is available in Databricks SQL statement, and we can run on the top of any numerical value. Let's go in the next cell, where we want to find out the customer name and sales round of sales till 1 decimal. And as you can see, with our new mathematical function from Databricks, we can use it with numerical columns, and we can apply this mathematical function on the top of any of the numerical column. Let's go on the next cell. Now you can see we want to apply some of our functions, which are not numerical functions, which are string functions, and takes parameters as string. As you can see, we have lower function, we have upper function, we have initCap function, and we are passing a column name, which is string data, type, and I want to apply multiple functions into a single statement where we can have multiple answers. So as you can see, we have upper function, which gives up capital letter names. Then we have lower, which gives us all the customer names in the lower manner. And we have initCap, which gives us the result in regular letter, where first letter is capital, and all letters are in the small. Let's go in the next cell. Here you can see we have a statement which is giving us the customer name, sales profit, and now is a function in Databricks. SQL, which provides the current date, which is running in the system, will give you current date and time. As you can see, next we have group by examples. Let's go in the next cell here. You can see we want to apply some of the group by, and group by is already supported in Databricks. SQL. There is no difference in group by with Databricks, and in normal databases, group by and order by works in the similar manner. We are running our first group by statement, where we want to calculate the sum of sales by category. So as you can see, we are selecting category column and applying sum of sales on the top of it. Let's execute the next cell. As you can see in the next cell, we have category and subcategory 2 columns, and using category and subcategory, we are calculating sum of sales and group by with both of the columns. Now we have another example from the order by, and we want to apply the order by. We want to sort our results as per category. So we have written the next statement in next cell, where you can see we have category and subcategory, using both the columns. We want to apply sum of sales, and I want to make it sorted using category column. So as you can see, we have a select statement with group by and order by both. We want to have example for alias. As you can see in our next cell, we are creating a simple group by statement, but with sum of sales. But I'm providing total sales as in column name, and in the result, you can see total sales is available as in column. Name in that way. You can also change any of the column, name in the result if you want, as we have done with total sales. That's all we have. That's all for this video. I hope you learned something about Databricks file system. In the next video, we will go through Databricks utilities. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and see you in the next video.